Health benefits of cucumber. Cucumbers belong to the same plant family as squash, pumpkin and watermelon. Like watermelon, cucumbers are made up of mostly 95% water, which means eating them on a hot summer day can help us stay hydrated all year round. However, there is enough reason to eat cucumbers all year long. With vitamin K, B vitamins, copper, potassium, vitamin C and manganese, cucumbers can help us avoid nutrient deficiencies. On top of that, cucumbers contain unique polyphenols and other compounds that may help reduce our risk of chronic diseases and much more. Protects our brain. Cucumbers contain an anti-inflammatory flavanol called fisetin that appears to play an important role in brain health. In addition to improving our memory and protecting our nerve cells from age-related decline, fisetin has been found to prevent progressive memory and learning impairments in mice with Alzheimer's disease. Reduces our risk of cancer. Cucumbers contain polyphenols called lignans, which may help to lower our risk of breast, uterine, ovarian and prostate cancers. Fights inflammation. Cucumbers may help to cool the inflammatory response in our body, and animal studies suggest that cucumber extract helps reduce unwanted inflammation, in part by inhibiting the activity of pro-inflammatory enzymes, including cyclooxygenase 2 or COX2. Antioxidant properties. Cucumbers contain numerous antioxidants, including the well-known vitamin C and beta-carotene. They also contain antioxidant flavonoids such as quercetin, apigenin, luteolin and kaempferol 6, which provide additional benefits. Freshens our breath. Placing a cucumber slice on the roof of our mouth may help to rid our mouth of odor-causing bacteria. Cucumbers contain multiple B vitamins, including vitamin B1, vitamin B5 and vitamin B7, biotin. B vitamins are known to help ease feelings of anxiety and buffer some of the damaging effects of stress. Supports our digestive health. Cucumbers are rich in two of the most basic elements needed for healthy digestion: water and fiber. If we struggle with acid reflux, we should know that drinking water can help suppress acute symptoms of acid reflux by temporarily raising stomach pH. It's possible that water-rich cucumbers may have a similar effect. Maintains a healthy weight. Cucumbers are very low in calories, yet they make a filling snack. 1 cup of sliced cucumber contains just 16 calories. The soluble fiber in cucumbers dissolves into a gel-like texture in our gut, helping to slow down our digestion. This helps us feel full longer and is one reason why fiber-rich foods may help with weight control. Supports heart health. Cucumbers contain potassium, which is associated with lower blood pressure levels. A proper balance of potassium both inside and outside our cells is crucial for our body to function properly. As an electrolyte, potassium is a positive charged ion that must maintain a certain concentration, about 30 times higher inside than outside our cells, in order to carry out its functions, which includes interacting with sodium to help control nerve impulse transmission, muscle contraction and heart function. If you like this video, please share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.